This is what's up. This is what's up right here. So we're gonna, real quickly, when I know I'm gonna be busy and I don't have a chance to catch a meal, I do bring this with me right here. So we're gonna go over it real quick. We're gonna go over the macros real quick, and we're gonna make this short video. So as you guys see today, got 280 calories, 70 from fat. It's got a decent amount of fat in it, which you shouldn't be afraid of fat. Kind of low sodium, not a whole lot of cholesterol either. Hold on. Decent amount of potassium, a lot of carbs. So that's a lot of carbs and a lot of sugars. It's got some dietary fiber in it and some protein. 16 grams of protein. Let's look at the ingredients label real quick. Protein blend, whey protein crisps, which are whey protein isolate, whey protein concentrate, tapioca starch, which is a thickener, calcium carbonate, sunflower lecithin, another thickener, milk protein isolate, whey protein isolate again. So it's got there on it twice. Milk protein isolate, it's pretty high in caseinate, so that's pretty good. Vegetable glycerin, VG, maltodextrin, a sweetener, cocoa powder, which is good. Oats, brown rice syrup, organic palm fruit oil, grape juice, unsweetened chocolate, almonds, natural flavor, soy lecithin, sea salt, and sucralose. This is considered. Hold on. This shit is thick. And it's rough to eat. It's good, it's filling. I bring these with me when I know I'm not going to get a meal. And it works. It fills you up.